Hey everybody, I'm super excited because this is my favorite time of the year. Less than a month until Christmas. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to make your smart home smarter, more convenient, and let's be totally honest, super cool. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working in the automation with some super cool lights. These twinkly 600 LED lights that are going to go on my Christmas tree. It's going to be such a treat. So make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to not only show you what's inside the box, I'm going to let you know the specs, see how you set it up, and let you see what they can do on our Christmas tree. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Josh's Smart Home. If you're new here, I've been building out my smart home for about 10 years now, and I want to share with you what I've learned along the way to make your home smarter too. Full disclosure, Twinkly did provide these lights free of charge to me, but they're not monitoring what I say, and everything you see is my fair and honest review. All right, first impression is this is a really nice setup. It has a nice little invitation with a little bit of information on the back. You get some stickers and the manual. And then we have the lights. So the lights come in two bundles here. It looks like split in the middle. So it looks like we'll start in the middle and then spread out from there. And it has the controller attached as well as the cord. And this cord will connect directly to this adapter for the US outlet we have. I opened up the one bundle so we can see what these look like. I'm going to go ahead and get these plugged in. Now you're probably thinking, Josh, these are just Christmas lights, but that couldn't be further from the truth. These things are highly customizable. You can scan them with your smartphone, creating a 3D map, and they are super responsive. So we're going to really get into that as we go through the video. And as you see right now, these are red, white, and blue. So that would be like the American holiday to celebrate the country here. You're asking why would they have this as one of the presets? It's because these are indoor or outdoor. You can certainly put these outside and have that great customization, have it celebrating all the holidays. You can tell these things have a great build quality, and the lights are about 3 inches apart. So you have these pretty close together, so when you're mapping them, it's really seamless across the Christmas tree or other location you place these. I did say there were two bundles. Each bundle is about 79 feet long, and each bundle has about 300 LEDs on this version. So that's about 600 LEDs total, spanning 150 feet. And like I said, they're pretty dense, so it should create a beautiful image. I can't wait to see it. You can see these are some high quality colors, and they are IP44 waterproof for outside. It has the RGB and the white light, so it's red, green, blue diode as well as the white. So lots of versatility in these lights. These work with Google Home, Amazon's Assistant, as well as Home Assistant for my smart home. And these are not only able to be mapped with your smartphone, but you can do real-time rendering with those. And I can't wait to see that. So stay tuned. Let's go up and get these things installed. So here you can see the tree without the lights on. So let's get it lit up. And I probably failed Christmas tree decorating if I would have been in elf school, but it doesn't look too bad considering this is like a 30-year-old tree. This has brought all kinds of new life to this tree. Now this is where the real magic is going to happen. We're going to utilize the app and connect these lights to our Wi-Fi and map them. So let's check this thing out. First, I got started in the app. I'm going to look for the device utilizing Bluetooth. I was able to connect the lights. I connected them to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to update the firmware. I'm going to save it as Christmas tree. I'm going to map the lights. So let's see how this works. I'm allowed to use the camera. I'm going to try the cone. And that was pretty easy. Basically, just keep on walking around your tree until you don't have a lot of red or orange or yellow spots. And as you can see, basically all of my lights are green, which means they have a really good idea of where they're at on the tree. So now that we got to the finalized step, let's finalize and get layout. And as you can see, the mapping on the tree is matching the mapping on the phone in the app. So definitely was able to map everything. So I'm going to save it and apply it. And immediately we can put different designs on the tree. So let's check some of these out. Let's try the magic band, see what that looks like. That looks pretty neat. And you can see it has the same information on the app as well as what's displaying on the tree. So you can see what you would expect and definitely happening there. So let's get out of this one and let's try the magic rainbow. So it's skipping different sections and going around and decorating with the rainbow. So that's pretty neat. Let's see the 3D flags. So we have some red, white, and blue. Definitely in the US, we could have something like this for our patriotic holidays here. How about the bright twinkle? You can also edit the colors on these. So if you go in and want like a blue and white, or if you want it to be green that twinkles, you can go in and make all those changes, including how much it twinkles and the speed. So if we really increase the twinkles here, then we have more. And if we decrease those, there's less twinkling going on. So let's put those back up so you can see them, and then we'll increase the speed, and you can see how quick it can twinkle around, or if we slow it down, it's a much slower twinkling effect. Here's a candy cane. That's a pretty neat one. I like that one for Christmas. And this molten rainbow is pretty neat. I like that one. It's a much different display than you would typically see on a tree. And having this mapped so it knows exactly where all of the bulbs are, create all these really neat effects. You really just can't match it with ordinary lights. So the other thing I wanted to mention was how cool this app is, how easy it is, and how responsive everything is. As soon as I hit anything, it definitely responds. So you can have the controls, so you have the power as well as the brightness right in the app. You can do a timer right in the app. So simple. You can change the effects. Obviously, I went through the gallery. You can explore and do your own and do a different layout if you need to move these around at all. Maybe my wife comes home and decides I didn't put the lights in the right place. I can remap them, so no problem at all. You can see your different devices here as well as scenes. So everything's included right in the app that you really need. One other item that's really cool in the app is you can actually go in, hit this button on the top right, and go into the effects wizard. And you can not only draw with your fingers, but you can also import a GIF here. So if you have something in particular you want to put right on your tree, you can do that. I'm not quite an artist, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like to draw on the tree. So I'm just going to make some red stripes here, and we'll make a purple down the middle, and let's get some green. Definitely need green for Christmas. So let's see if I can do something to the edges to make it green. And there you have it. Definitely exactly what I drew on the screen is on the tree. One other thing I like about these compared to other LED Christmas lights for the tree is you can take a picture with these and it comes out clear with all the lights lit. But I'm all about smart home automation utilizing one system primarily, and that's Home Assistant. So let's jump into Home Assistant and go to the devices. And you can see immediately it found the Twinkly devices. So let's add those and submit. The device name is Christmas Tree. So it already knows that. I'm going to put it in Christmas and hit finish. And just like that, we have the Christmas tree as well as the modes. So I can go in and switch it just to a color mode. So if you have a certain color you have set, we have a demo mode. So this will show the different colors here that go through in the demo. We have the effect. So I'm guessing this is whatever the last effect is, and I probably didn't switch it from the demo mode. You can do a playlist. You can do real time, and I'd have to look into what these are exactly. And you do have off, which does turn those off. And you can turn those back on from the device here or from the mode. So if you have it on off, you can actually go and just tell it a color or whichever one you want. So pretty neat that I can control everything right through Home Assistant, because this means that I can also automate everything. So if I want this to turn off when we're not home and turn back on when we get home so it saves power because you can't see it outside the house, that makes perfect sense. So maybe I'd utilize the alarm with this, and I have it set up where if the alarm is triggered that it's away, then the tree's off because we just don't need to waste the electricity. So many options here that we can do right inside of Home Assistant utilizing our automations. All right, now it's time for my final thoughts. These twinkly lights are absolutely amazing. The 3D mapping is so cool, and all the different things you can display on them are super neat as well. Definitely going to have a lot of fun with these and impress a lot of people with these this Christmas season. I didn't even mention that you can actually pair these with another twinkly device. You can group them together, if you will, and you can have them sync together. So you can have all kinds of neat effects beyond just the one Christmas tree. The real-time effect rendering and customization is amazing. It is so responsive, super quick, and it integrates to different smart home platforms, including Home Assistant, which is my absolute favorite. You can also utilize Google Home or Amazon's Assistant if there's your preference. These are indoor or outdoor lights, and it works with Android or iOS devices, which makes it super cool and perfect for everybody. So let me know in the comments section below what you think of these lights, and please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.